Hey there, it's Kathy Howes with Be Creative with Kathy, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I used to put together January 2023's Stamp Club card packets. So we're going to use the Cheerful Basket here bundle. So you get this, you need the stamp set here and the coordinating dies. Of course you'll need a die cut machine too to put your kits together. But the kits, like I said, look like this. And then you'll also get the third card, which I was playing with that new bundle from the mini catalog that just came current, the Country Floral Lane Suite. It's part of that. It's really the Country Bouquet bundle. So it's this stamp set and this punch. But like I said, I had a little bit of fun playing with that. And so your third card this month that'll be in your packet will look like this. So that's part of that. Now, when I put together my packets, this is what I use. Let me show you the card first. This one here. This one I cased from Vitran with that cute little pop-up box of hearts on the inside. So to make this card, I used a black Memento ink, a little bit of crumb cake ink, and a sponge dauber. And believe it or not, that's all, like I said, that I used. And the sponge dauber is just to put a little bit of shading around the box here. So if you have Stampin' Up's old sponges or ink even that's close to this color, that's all you'll need for this card here. And then for the next card, I cased this one from Kristen Hayes. Sorry, Kristen. It looks like this. So for this card, you'll need black StazOn ink. Oh, and then I would say have Memento on too. Now, I took and used the black StazOn to stamp on some glimmer paper. This is the Sweet Sorbet or the In Color shimmer paper. That's why I say the StazOn. StazOn has a tendency to stain your stamps, not ruin them, just stain them. So if you don't want to use the black StazOn, I'll also include a little piece of Sweet Sorbet paper that you could put there, and then you could just use the black Memento ink instead of the StazOn. That'd be included in your kit too, just in case you're not comfortable, like I said, stamping with StazOn on your photopolymer stamp set. Okay, some other supplies that you'll need to put your kits together. I always suggest a bone folder. I have a pair of paper snips here and also a paper snips that I use just for ribbon, because we'll have to trim just a little bit of ribbon here in the corner. So I'll have those. I do suggest you have some liquid glue, dimensionals, and of course your tape runner. So nothing fancy with the normal supplies, just what you would normally use or have on hand when you make your cards. Okay, let me show you the cards again. They look like this, and then that third one I make for you like this. So if you're interested in club, all you have to do is place a $30 order at my online store, kathyhowes.stampinup.net. The link will be in the description, using January Stamp Club host code, which is also in the description. If you have any questions, of course, just leave a comment, or you can reach out. My email's down below too. Alrighty, that's what I have for you today. Oh, but then again, let me tell you a couple other things regarding club. We'll meet via Zoom January 22nd about 1:30, and if you can't make the Zoom meeting when we make our cards together, then I'll have a video that same weekend, and you can make your packets at your own leisure. Okay, now I think I have it all covered. I hope to talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.